beautiful car.
Thank you.
Which one is it?
365.
365.
Yeah. 356.
Wow.
356.
356.
Yeah.
So this just rolled out of the production plant, right? All these are rolling out from that production plant there. I'm actually outside the richest place in Germany. Porsche, you see that behind me? That's Porsche. And then look next to me. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let me show you a much better perspective of the richest city in Europe. Porsche, look at that. Porsche Zuffenhausen in Stuttgart, Germany. Okay, anyway, this is a museum. This is a museum, but then all these are rolling out from that production plant there. It's big. It's a big production plant all the way. But then look at those, man. Look at how beautiful that thing is. Look at those. I don't even know. I think these are Porsche 911s. Porsche 911s. I don't know the difference, but then these things just look so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, and these are Porsche Cayennes. Yeah, these are Porsche. I think this is Porsche Cayenne. The other one is Porsche Macan or something. I don't know. One is hybrid, the other one is I don't know. Go on and check. So the production plant is quite huge. Starts from there, goes all the way, and then there's a small roundabout here with those Porsches up there. And then sometimes back before they close that fence, you could see the Porsches rolling out of that production plant. You could see them rolling out, and it was kind of fun. I remember I used to go to work around somewhere around this area, and I would just stop somewhere around here just to watch the Porsches rolling out of the production plant. Anyway, that's Germany for you. I mean, being somewhere in the richest city in Europe. You can see this. You can see this is something so beautiful, and I love to see this. So this is the museum here. All that. The Porsche Museum. And then normally on Saturdays or Sundays or over the weekends they line up all the Porsches here so that people can come and see. Pay the museum entrance, go inside, see the Porsches, and enjoy your summer or your spring holiday or some type of shade, It's so nice to be here. I've been here for more than 5 years now, but then I never get tired of coming here. I never get enough of this. I wasn't actually planning to make a vlog today, but then I came across these beautiful things here. So I decided I'm gonna make a vlog anyway. So there you go. Porsche. Isn't that beautiful? I just wanna make enough money and get myself one of these. I think the red one, that's my favorite. This one here, that's my favorite. Porsche 911 Carrera. From Porsche 911 Carrera. These things at the German Autobahn on Saturday morning when there's no traffic. You can actually have a lot of fun with this thing. Look at that. So this just rolled out of the production plant right a few days ago, and they are about, you know, to go to the next customer. What a beauty, man. What a beauty. And this is what I want. Or maybe that one. And you know, one thing that surprises me is always people fascinated watching these cars. They never get tired. So I'm not the only one who's fascinated by this beauty. It's everyone. As you can see, everyone is here watching, enjoying. So never feel shame. Just come and enjoy yourself here, because it's fun. I mean, it's fun. It looks nice, man. It looks nice. Put your hands on one of these. Yep, this happens to be this red color. It's just a beauty. I love it. I mean, in Germany you always see nice things. For example, look at that BMW over there. I think that's X5 or something. Yeah. That's my favorite BMW over there. I think that's the M car or something. I don't know. Yeah, but the BMW M cars are also very, very nice. I love them. Yeah. That's beauty. German engineering. And the Volkswagen. I think that's the T-Roc, the convertible one. It's also very nice. And not even expensive. Like, it's cheap. It's affordable. It's a car everyone can afford. Yeah, man, that's beauty. So all that direction of that side. So I used to see the Porsches roll out of that, the production plant over there. But then they closed that part. They put a fence there. You can't see it anymore. You can't see you could see the Porsches rolling out, and you know, fresh and hot. See the Porsche sign over there, and then you can see the Porsches over there, up there, and then the museum is over there. Like, you could see them rolling out fresh and hot. Yeah, that was fun to see. But look at that piece of beauty, a classic. It's always a nice thing seeing these classic cars. I just love them. Yeah, the classics. I still want to get a nice shot of this car. I don't know what car is this, but it's actually a nice, beautiful car. Such a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Which one is it?
365.
365.
Yeah, 256.
Wow.
356.
356.
Yeah.
My God, this is such a classic.
Yeah.
Oh, keep it forever.
I try to.
Yeah, and thank you so much for allowing me to take a shot of this.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah, I want to show it to my son. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you. I want to show you another piece of beauty coming in here. Look at that. Look at that. I think it's Porsche 911. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that again. She's coming again. Look at that. at that. And somebody came from the UK in it with a BMW 530D, and I love it. This is such a nice car. I want to sit here outside and see more cars coming out because it's fun. It's actually fun sitting here. Yeah, it's fun. Look at that. I can hear the sound coming out from that Porsche. I think that's Porsche Carrera. Yeah, so it's kind of loud, not loud enough, but then you can feel that as soon as you hit the highway with that, it's gonna be a nice drive. It's gonna be a nice drive. What a beauty. That's from Switzerland. And those plates are from Zurich. Look at that, it's another Porsche with a UK plates, registration plates. Man, that's a Cayenne, a red one. Beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, it sounds so good from inside, I can feel it. I just want myself one of this. Audi, which one is that? I think that's the Q series. I want that as well. Like I want everything. I mean, so many nice things you see in Germany. Oh my God! Oh, you look at that. I think that's the E46 BMW. M car. It's M3. With Swiss registration plates, and it's such a beauty. Such a beauty. That's a Porsche Carrera. I think that was fun, and I hope you enjoyed every single moment in this video. Inside Porsche. I mean inside, not inside Porsche, because I did not go inside there. I was there several times before and I don't want to go there again today, so maybe I'll go back there again another time, but then I just wanted to show you outside Porsche. So being in the richest city in Germany, but then I'm not the richest human being in Germany. But it's fun being here. It's fun, it's beautiful. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. So I'm going to edit this video so that you can watch, and of course I'm hoping you can subscribe so that you can see more vlogs from me. And now I'm here waiting for the train, the public transport, because I don't have myself a Porsche, but one time I'll come here and get myself a Porsche here at the museum. The museum is behind me, not at the museum but at the factory somewhere parked there. I'm gonna order one and then roll it out, park it in front of the museum and drive it on the highway. Yeah, so I'm here waiting for the train now. It's delayed for so long because it's on a Sunday, and that's normal with public transport in Germany, especially the S-Bahns. S-Bahn, we call them S-Bahn, like the underground trains or something, yeah, whatever, you understand. They always delay. So I'm here waiting for that thing to come. Been waiting for 25 minutes. 25 good minutes. Yeah, but I've enjoyed that. So, and I hope you enjoyed that with me. Then we see you again in the next one, in the next vlog. Yeah, please like, subscribe or do something, you know, because why not? I mean, there's a lot to see on this channel. It's easy, it's raw, it's unfiltered, it's not a big deal. You're just chilling, you're just having fun. Do something. All right, bye bye.